Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel designed to help you read the markets. I still have a husky voice, but I'm feeling better. Today is Tuesday the 27th of February, guys, and we're going to start with yesterday's trades, okay? And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you today's trade ideas, and we're going to look at the important news as well. So let's start with yesterday. And our first trade idea was silver against the US dollar. And it just didn't give us a setup, basically, guys. So first of all, why were we looking at this? Well, we was in a daily uptrend and we had a nice bullish daily candle that finished above the moving average 20. All right, so higher highs, higher lows. And the idea was to follow structure, this bullish candle back up to here, or if not, back up to these highs here. All right, and as you can see, instead, we got a very bearish day, guys, yeah? But, you know, it's no problem because we didn't get a setup, okay? So if we look back at what we were looking at, guys, actually, if we drop down to the H1, because what we wanted to see was price come down into this grey zone, which it did. And then we wanted to see a strong bullish reaction in this grey zone. And, you know, by the time I got up, price was, you know, around here, okay? So, you know, we didn't have a trade, but what we did have was a nice high to work with. So this was the last daily H1 high. If it broke this level, yeah, let's say it did this and broke this level, I would have still been interested in silver with a view to taking it back up to here. But as you can see, guys, it just broke down. It broke this grey zone, kept breaking down, and therefore we just didn't have a trade. All right, guys, so yeah, no trade on silver. And then the second trade idea from yesterday, there was only two yesterday, guys, because the markets have been tricky. So the only other trade was Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and we were looking to buy this, and we're still looking to buy this. So why we were looking to buy it, if we just follow structure, you can see, you know, we're in this kind of range between here and here, stroke uptrend. All right, so it's still bullish. And, you know, I know I've mentioned this pattern before, but it's like a flag and pennant. It's almost like a triangular flag and pennant. All right, so this is what we're seeing. And the idea is to get a break out of here and come higher. Yeah, and basically, guys, we had a nice bullish candle followed by, you know, just a bit of an indecision candle. But then even yesterday's candle, I still like the bounce off the bottom of this range to take price back higher. If we drop down to the H1, guys, again, we just didn't have any structure build up. So price has come down to here. You know, we've got this movement down here. Again, if we had broken this level through here with a nice bullish candle, I would have bought this because this would have been a structure break, okay? But instead, H1, H4 just kept coming down. All right, so we just didn't have a trade. We could have traded from these lows and you would have had a, you know, a good trade on your hands so far. But what I'm waiting for now is you can see my alarm, guys. So price is now forming this area of resistance here. If we get a break, my alarm will go off. And if we get a bullish candle, I'm happy to buy Canadian dollar Swiss franc again today. All right, guys, so those are the trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my analysis every single day and my trade ideas, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. So please subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Please smash the notification button. And if you can also smash the like button, guys, it really helps support the channel. Thank you very much. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 27th of February. Before we get started, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community of like-minded traders who share knowledge, ideas, experiences, then come join our free Discord channel. Secondly, guys, as part of the Discord, we also have the VIP Trading Academy. So you get endless tutorials, guys, to help you trade. You get access to my trade signals plus other expert traders. And you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. So if you're interested in that, come join it. Also, guys, we've got the mentorship program. If you'd like to be coached one-on-one, drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. Also, guys, don't forget the live stream today. We've got a great guest on today. We've got a psychologist, and we're actually doing the Sit on Your Hands podcast. So come join us for that and get your questions ready. Speaking of questions, guys, if you please let us know below the vid if you have anything you struggle with when it comes to trading. Yeah, leave a message below the vid, and we will start to make some tutorials. Right, trades for today then, guys. So yesterday, we basically saw some real euro strength come into the market. Yeah, we saw that across all euro pairs, this euro strength. And it's led to a couple of trades for us today. So if we start with euro pound, this is a trade idea and we're looking to buy it. Because if we follow structure, yeah, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, for me, we have, higher highs, and now we're starting to see higher lows. If I drew a channel, not the best channel I've ever drawn, but if we drew a channel, we're seeing like a channel starting to form. But we're definitely seeing higher lows here. And we're above the moving average 20. All right. And we saw a nice bullish candle yesterday as well. We don't have lots of room to move into because this is euro pound, yeah, and you never have lots of room to move into. But this is still 15 pips, 16 pips as we speak. So we're just trying to take it back up to these highs, and it could potentially break those highs. But I just want to take profit here first. If it does break those highs, I can get in again. All right, so euro pound, we're looking to buy this pair. If we drop down to the H1 now, so it's going to be a H1 entry. And it's just scruffy price action, guys. You can see I've got my grey zone up here and my grey zone here. And I was looking at areas to put grey zones through here, but it was just so scruffy. To be honest with you, I'd end up having just one big grey zone that looks something like this. It was just such scruffy price action. So I'm just going to keep the two levels that I am interested in, this one and this one. And all I'm going to do, because I want to buy it, guys, is I'm tempted to buy this now. Yeah, because if we just follow, H1 structure, we're clearly in an uptrend. We're nicely tracking above the moving average 20. And we can just follow this H1 structure back up to these last highs here. All right, I would adjust this actually, looking at this price action here. I would adjust this to, 70. Okay, and that's what I'll be looking to do, guys. I might enter this very shortly. We shall see. And if I do, I'll put this trade in the VIP Discord. So yeah, just follow that H1 back up to the next grey zone with euro pound. The next euro strength trade is euro Canadian dollar. If we look at the day chart, as you can see, we're in an uptrend. So price was in this downtrend. It became a little bit choppy in here, but then it broke down. And then we've just had this sort of indecision in here. And now it's broke back up. And now we're clearly seeing higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so we're in an uptrend. And we had a nice bullish candle Could be more bullish. I don't like this top wick, but what I do like is the body of this candle broke these last highs here. Okay, so that is a continuation of trend. And all we're trying to do is take it up to these last highs here and this psychological level. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, so it'll be a bit of a H4 entry. We've clearly got this nice level in here where price has reacted before. Perhaps the moving average 20 catches up. We get a nice bullish reaction in here. We will look to buy Euro Canadian dollar. So yeah, they're the Euro strength trades. And I still like Canadian dollar Swiss franc. I know I've been going on and on about this, and you're probably sick to death of Canadian dollar Swiss franc, as much as I'm sick to death of my husky voice. But yeah, still a trade idea, guys. So day chart, nothing's changed really. You know, we're still in this uptrend, stroke descending triangle almost now. Yeah, but we're in an uptrend. Okay, and if we look at this more closely, yeah, we could say we're seeing this, guys. Yeah, we're seeing, and this is, you know, like I said before, if we draw in the pole, this is like a flag and pennant. And what we're looking for with this flag and pennant is a break, yeah, to continue trend. And this is normally a continuation of trend, and we're in an uptrend. So this should be a continuation to the upside. And that's still what I'm looking for. If we drop down to the H4, okay, yeah, H4 or H1, it's about this level here. But you can see on the H1, we bounced off these lows and we're starting to form, you know, higher lows, yeah, but we haven't had a break of this level. Okay, you can see my alarm in there ready to go. If we get a nice bullish candle that breaks through this level, I will be buying Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Okay, first of all, I'll buy it up to here, you know, if not further, back up to those daily highs. All right, so Canadian dollar Swiss franc buys as well. All right, guys, they're the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 27th of February, guys. Before I start, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button, guys. Don't forget to do that. Thank you very much. So all of these times are London GMT. So I would be interested in this at 7 o'clock London GMT. We've got the German consumer climate. I know it's a 2-star rating, but would be interested in this. This could potentially move the euro. And it's a pretty light news day. At 1:30, we've got core durable goods coming out of the US. And then at 3 o'clock, another 3-star rating. We've got consumer confidence again coming out of the US. All right, so this could move any of the US dollar pairs. But other than that, guys, a pretty light news day. So you are free as a bird to trade. Don't forget to join us for the live stream today. We've got a great guest on as part of our Sit on Your Hands podcast. So come join us for that. Get your questions ready at 7 a.m. New York EST time. See you then, guys.